Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to a UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site in Maharashtra, famous for its vibrant carpet of seasonal wildflowers that bloom between August and November. I am talking about the famous Kaas Plateau situated in the Satara district. So without wasting any time, let's start with the vlog. You can do the booking online from their website. I'll attach the link in the description. The cost is Rs 150 per person. Bookings can also be made offline at the site. I am going to this place from Karad in Maharashtra, which is approximately 1 hour 30 minutes away. Took exit from National Highway 48 to merge with the Kaas Road. That is Urmodi Dam. The roads are lush green due to the rains and the fog is making the climate misty. I parked my car in the parking and took a transit bus which would take me to the gate from the parking lot. This is my bus. Stepped onto the bus. I have reached the gate and will start with my trail along the path. The wind is also blowing strongly. These flowers are like small white lights twinkling on a green carpet. The purple colored flowers are also known as Topli Curvy. Topli Curvy's scientific name is Strobilanthes sessilis. These tiny flowers are bladderwort, whose scientific name is Utricularia arcuata. These are actually carnivorous. The excessive rain and cloudy weather has inhibited the growth of flowers, and as a result, they are scattered across the fields. Can you see the fog moving? Some more curvy flowers. This flower is Malabar Hill Borage, scientifically known as Adelocarium malabaricum, which is endemic to the Western Ghats. This place is filled with this specific flower. There are dedicated trails for easy navigation. There is also a small water body where people are enjoying. The visibility is very low. Another cluster of curvy flowers swaying like waves of violet silk. Absolutely mind-blowing view. It's the place where senses get numb. The trail of the first gate was over, and there were 4 to 5 more gates which had the same flowers, so I skipped them. Moreover, the locals told me that the main clusters were here, so there was no point in visiting the other gates. If you want, you may visit them. On my way back, I was able to see the Kanhir Dam. The road was very foggy and the visibility was reduced to a great extent. While returning, I was able to see a cluster of Smithia flowers, also known as Mickey Mouse flowers. Their scientific name is Senecio bombayensis. They look so gorgeous and appealing. The beauty of those magical flowers is imprinted on my memory, a vivid reminder that nature's art stays with us long after we leave. With that, my vlog of Kaas Plateau comes to an end. Hope you too have liked it and will surely visit the majestic plateau once. Please do subscribe to my channel for more travel vlogs. I'll meet you guys in the next vlog. Till then, bye guys.